Okay, hello everybody, friends and enemies, as I like to say. Welcome to a video here on the CBP Media Network. We're going to be doing a video today on how to buy Bitcoin KYC on bullbitcoin.com. So, a couple things first. You have to have a KYC account for this. Lennon is going to blank out my information here, but with a KYC account, the long and short is that you get a little more optionality in terms of funds transfer. So if you want to buy $10 million worth, you can do it. If you want to buy a little more in e-transfer, you can do it. Wire, you can do it, stuff like that. Only downside is you have to obviously give some of your information, including your phone number and your name. But on the whole, there is some benefit to having a KYC account. Mostly the added optionality of being able to do a buy when you're on the road, for example. I've done a buy at the cottage before. Great example of a time when you can't get to a post office and you want to buy some Bitcoin. There's a dip. Your friends are having a couple of beers on the dock and they tell you that you're broke again and you want to make a buy. You can do it like this. So long and short, what you'll need is verified account, which I mentioned, a Bitcoin wallet address, which I have handy, and you have to have a Satoshi portal set up as an e-transfer recipient. So I've already got $100 in my account, as you can see here, just to save you guys the wait. But we'll go through the process all the same, and we'll see how easy it is. It's very simple. You guys really like this. So this is your dashboard. When you sign in, you go to your dashboard, and at the top, there's a button here, big red button, says Buy Bitcoin. Now, Bull doesn't keep Bitcoin for you, so you have to have the wallet address ready, and I'll show you how to fund your account before you even get to that stage. There's a button here in the red that says Fund Your Account on the Buy Bitcoin page. So I've clicked this red Buy Bitcoin button up here, and now I'm on the Fund Your Account page. Fund Your Account is a very simple red button as well. And then at the bottom here, bottom of the same page, you have a number of options. Interact e-transfer is the one we're going to be using today. For me, I put in $100 earlier. And so it gives you a breakdown here of the fees and whatnot. No fees on this, obviously, which is an added perk of the e-transfer. You hit create funding order. So this is where things are a little different than just standard e-transfers. But you're going to put in the recipient information, which is right here. Now that you have this payment request through Bull. And down here you have the payment information. The secret question is my user number. I assume that's the same for everybody, but I'm not 100% sure. The secret answer is a number of digits here. It's going to be 7 digits altogether. And then each transfer has a transfer code. So for me, TD asks for a comment or details of the transfer. I'm sure every banking app is a little different, but this is what you put in that window, and it helps Bull verify the transfer once it's done. Okay, so I've already done this. I'm going to skip this, and actually I'm going to show you can cancel this as well. So I'm going to cancel this funding request since I've already done this. Now, if I go to buy Bitcoin, since I have the money in my account already, once it comes in, it takes about 5 or 10 minutes to get there. You can see what you have available here, 100 Canadian dollars for me, which is great. And so here you have the option to buy the Bitcoin in full. I think the minimum buy is $100 now, so we're just going to go in full. And it tells you the processing costs, the fees, and the amount of Bitcoin you'll receive. Now you can change the amount of Bitcoin you'll receive if you use Lightning or LBTC. You don't have to. We're just going to use regular on-chain today, layer 1. And we'll use that to receive the Bitcoin. Now here's the fun part. Bull, as you guys know if you watch the show, doesn't actually hold any of the Bitcoin. What they do is they ask for you to have a wallet address ready. Super easy. You can use Sparrow, you can use Blue Wallet, and actually here there's a whole separate section that you can click on to help get a wallet set up for yourself. Super easy stuff, and everyone knows that in Bitcoin, not your keys, not your coin. This helps you get set up a wallet and keep the keys for yourself as well, so that you're a little more secure and not relying on an exchange, which is one thing Len and I really like about Bull Bitcoin. So I'm going to pull up my wallet address here. I'm going to count on Len to edit any sensitive information out. I paste it here. And then once that's done, down here, there's a big red button that says Create Bitcoin Buy Order. You hit OK. And then here, you get all the details one more time, the buy order, the exchange rate. Your rate is locked for 2 minutes and gives you everything you need, the amount you're buying, the address it's going to, and some other details as well, should you need them. Nothing crazy there, but it's interesting all the same. I'm going to confirm the purchase. Okay, done and done. And I can see that Bull Bitcoin will send it out to my wallet in about 25 minutes. This number kind of fluctuates a little bit. I've seen it as long as a few hours, and as short as, actually this is probably the shortest I've ever seen, to be honest with you. So good day to buy if you're, but 2 things on top of this. One, Bull Bitcoin does coin joins. So what you're seeing there, that delay is basically the next batched transaction. And you can see here that there is some batching going on. And what that does is allow them to do some privacy best practices on the transaction side before they send to your wallet, which is fantastic. But if you're really in a jam, you need it now, you can pay a little bit. So $5 on 100, 5%, and you'll get the fee, you get the transaction, basically right away. I'm not going to do that today. And really, that's all there is to it. It's simple as that. BullBitcoin.com. If you want to use our promo code to sign up, you get $21 on your first purchase, which is fantastic. I think it's $100 you have to buy as long as you verify your account. Again, there's the KYC free option where you may give less information. I won't comment any further on that. You can go to Len's video on the channel if you want to see more on that. And then there's this option where, again, you're out of range, you're driving, you're not near a post office, who knows, right? If you're traveling, for example, you can't get to a post office, you still want to do a buy, this is a good way to do it. And Bull is the fastest, safest, I think the cheapest way to buy Bitcoin. You can't really beat this method, especially because e-transfer is just so simple for Canadians. So highly recommend it, and before you know it, the Bitcoin will show up in your account, and you'll be cooking. So enjoy that. Enjoy using Bull Bitcoin. I hope you enjoyed this video too, and we'll see you next time.